A whiteboard. Do you really need it? No, not. You can do it also on anything what is flat, white, smooth, and maybe a bit shiny, paint, plastic. This is then HPL. Plexiglass and plywood. Well, this has then a bit of a relief, this surface, so it doesn't clean really good. If it was flat, you also have it flat, very smooth. Then, yeah, some ink can stay behind, you see. You see what I mean? But then with a bit of water and soap, hand soap, gone. So, possible. An old cupboard shelf, painted. It's for a few days on. You just wipe it off. You see? And if you think, well, there are a few scratches it's in, a bit of water and soap. You see? Gone.